Greetings to all of you students. Hope you all are doing well, preparing well for the exam. So today we will solve the 10th problem in case of joint venture where no separate books are maintained. B of Bombay and C of Kolkata entered into joint venture to consign scrap to A of Agra to be sold on their risk. A is entitled to a commission of 10% on the net proceeds after charging such commission. B sent 50 tons costing rupees 4,300 per ton and pay freight and other expenses 30,000. C sent 70 tons costing rupees 5,000 per ton and he pays freight and other expenses 40,000. All the scraps are sold by A at 10,000 per ton and paid selling expenses 12,000. He remits 5 lakh to B and the balance of net profits to C, bank draft. Prepare ledger accounts. So students, let us discuss in details about the question. B of Bombay and C of Kolkata entered into a joint venture to consign scrap to A of Agra to be sold on their risk. ಹಾಗಂದ್ರೆ B ಮತ್ತೆ C ಬಂದು ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ವೆಂಚರ್ ಕೋ-ವೆಂಚರರ್ಸ್, B C ಬಂದು ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡು ವ್ಯಾಪಾರ ಮಾಡೋರು. ಹಾಗಂದ್ರೆ B ಮತ್ತೆ C ನ ನಾವು ಪಾಲುಗಾರರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಎ ಬಂದು ಏಜೆಂಟು, ಅವನು ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ವೆಂಚರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ co-venturer ಆಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. So A acts as an agent for which he gets commission. So clearly mentioned B and C are co-venturers. A is a agent. So B of Mumbai, C of Kolkata entered into joint venture to consign scrap. ಹಾಗಂದ್ರೆ B ಮತ್ತೆ C ಇಬ್ರು ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹಳೆ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರಾಪ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಖರೀದಿ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಏದು ಕರ್ತವ್ಯ ಮಾರಾಟ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಮೌಂಟನ್ನು ವಾಪಸ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಸಿಗುವಂಥ ಪ್ರತಿಫಲ ಕಮಿಷನ್. ಸೊ B and C join together and they start a joint venture and they buy scraps, old, worn out, obsolete items. It's called scrapped, residual items, and they supply to A. It is the duty of A to sell the goods for which A will get commission, not profit. A is entitled to a commission of 10% on the net proceeds after charging such commission. So A does not get a share of profit. A gets commission. Now B sent 50 tons costing rupees 4,300 per ton. B ಬಂದು 50 ಟನ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. This is called B's purchase. So B's purchase 50 tons into 4,300 and pay freight and other expenses 30,000. So 30,000 is called B's expense. So B's purchase 50 into 4,300 and B's expense 30,000. Next, C sent 70 tons costing rupees 5,000 per ton. This is called C's purchase. C purchase 70 into 5,000 and he pays freight and other expenses 40,000. So 40,000 is called C's expense. So C's purchase 70 into 5,000 and C's expense 40,000. All the scraps are sold by A at 10,000 per ton. ಸೊ 10,000 ಒಂದು ಟನ್ನು 10,000ಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾರಾಟ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಎ. ಒಟ್ಟಾರೆ 120 ಟನ್ಗಳು ಮಾರಾಟ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಹೇಗೆ? 50 ಟನ್ ಬಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ, 70 ಟನ್ ಸಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಒಟ್ಟು ಮಾರಾಟ 120 ಟನ್. ಒಂದು ಟನ್ ಮಾರಾಟ ಆಗಿರೋದು 10,000. ಸೊ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ is 120 tons. How? B supply 50 tons, C supply 70 tons, so 50 plus 70. Totally 120 tons are sold by A at 10,000 rupee per ton and paid selling expenses 12,000. So 12,000 is called the expenses of A. So students, A's sales 120 into 10,000, A's expense 12,000. So what A will do? A sales 120 into 10,000, you get 12 lakh. 120 into 10,000, you get 12 lakh. So what A will do? He will catch his selling expenses 12,000. He will catch his 10% commission. Whatever the balance available, in that 5 lakh he gives to B, remaining he will give it to C. ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಏದು ಮಾರಾಟ ಮಾಡಿರೋಂಥ ಹಣ 10,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಇಂಟು 120 ಟನ್, ಟೋಟಲಿ 12 ಲ್ಯಾಕ್. ಆ 12 ಲಕ್ಷ ಹಣ ಮಾರಾಟ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂಥ ಹಣ, ಮಾರಾಟ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂಥ ಸ್ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಪಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿರುವಂಥ ಹಣ 12 ಲಕ್ಷ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ? ಅವನು ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡಿರೋ 12,000 ಇಟ್ಕೊತಾನೆ, ಅವನಿಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋ ಕಮಿಷನ್ 10%ನ ಇಟ್ಕೊತಾನೆ. ಉಳಿದ ಅಮೌಂಟು ಬಿಗೆ ಸಿಗೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಆದರೆ ಬಿಗೆ 5 ಲಕ್ಷ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಉಳಿದ ಅಮೌಂಟು ಸಿಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ. So he remits 5 lakhs to B and the balance net profits to C by bank draft. Let us look how the working comes. So this is called memorandum joint venture account. So credit side you write by A account. What is this by A account? 50 tons plus 70 tons, 120 tons are sold at 10,000. Totally you get 12 lakh. So 12 lakh is the sales of A. Next to B, purchase of B 2 lakh 15,000, 50 tons into 4,300. And expenses, freight expenses of B 30,000. So total expenses of B 2 lakh 45,000. C's purchase 70 tons into 5,000, you get 3 lakh 50,000, and expenses of C 40,000. Then total expenses of C 3 lakh 90,000. Now A is an agent, is a broker, is not a co-venturer. Aದು ಖರ್ಚು 12,000, Aಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋ ಕಮಿಷನ್ 1,20,000. How you get 1,20,000? 12 lakh into 10%, 12 ಲಕ್ಷ ಮಾರಾಟ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಶೇಕಡ 10ರಷ್ಟು ಕಮಿಷನ್. ಸೊ ಎಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋ ಹಣ 1,32,000. ಒಟ್ಟಾರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಗುವಂಥ ಲಾಭ 4,33,000. ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟೆಡ್ ಈಕ್ವಲಿ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಬಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಿ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಶೇರಿಂಗ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗಿವನ್. ಯಾವಾಗ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಶೇರಿಂಗ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ವೋ ಸಮವಾಗಿ ಹಂಚ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So distributed equally. So what A will do? A has 12 lakh amount in his hand. So he will catch 1,32,000 and remaining 10,68,000 he should pay to B and C. In the 10,68,000, 5 lakh he gives to B, remaining he gives to C. So in the books of B, debit side you write by A account. It means A paid 5 lakh to B. A's purchase 2 lakh 15. A's expense 30. A's share of profit distribute equally 4 lakh 33,000 divided by 2. So remaining 38,500 B should pay to C. In the books of C, debit side we have purchase of material by C, expenses of C, and memorandum joint venture profit 2,16,500, and B will pay to C 38,000, which we found in the previous slide. In the books of B, we found an answer of 38,500, and remaining 5,68,000 you should get from A. Now let us look how A account comes. Remember, A is not a co-venturer. So A's account, this fellow has 12 lakh sale amount in his hand. ಮಾರಾಟ ಆಗಿರುವಂಥ ವಸ್ತುವಲ್ಲಿ 12 ಲಕ್ಷ ಹಣ ಎ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. 12 ಲಕ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವನು ಖರ್ಚು 12,000 ಇಟ್ಕೊತಾನೆ, ಕಮಿಷನ್ 1,12,000 ಇಟ್ಕೊತಾನೆ, 5 ಲಕ್ಷ ಬಿಗೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು, ಉಳಿದ ಅಮೌಂಟು 5,68,000 ಸಿಗೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಎ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ? ಎ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ 12 lakh cash in his hand. He will catch his selling expense. He will catch his commission. And he has paid 5 lakh to B. Remaining 5,68,000 he has to pay to A. Thank you.